How to send a group email in Gmail. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your device. Log into your account, then click on Compose located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then add group of emails you want to add. After that, add your subject, then compose email. As you can see, there are multiple peoples that creates group. Simply click on arrow located on top right corner of your screen and send it. And that's how you send a group email in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.